Alright, the CPI report is about to come out. Alright, looks pretty good here. CPI came in at 2.7 versus 2.8 expected. So it's pretty bullish. Alright, huge spike on NQ here. Huge spike across the board. Still have an hour to go before open. Here's a daily on NQ. About to break the all-time high. Yeah, it should be a pretty good day here. Tesla's running. AMD, Nvidia, Apple. Amazon's going crazy. Apple's slightly down. Okay, market's about to open. Alright, we're open. Nice gap up. Tesla's leading. I'm up like 400. Alright, I'm already up like 800. Meta's one of my favorite plays this week. It's got the power earnings gap. So basically it gaps up on earnings, and then it makes like a bull flag, and then it runs again. It's usually a high probability setup. AMD's knifing really hard. I'm going to cancel this stop actually. I'm just going to let it ride for a bit. I'm going to take another meta call here, 805. Just one call here. It's pretty much a lotto, but I just like it for the upside. Alright, nice bounce here. I'm up almost 900. Meta's leading really hard. Got some Nvidia OTM calls, 5 million and 3.5 million for September 5th. I'm probably going to go red here. It's not looking the best right now. QQQ calls, 6.6 million OTM, 605 call. We're definitely not bouncing here. Could get a little bit worse here. Alright, this is getting pretty bad. Thinking we might bounce here though. Got some really bullish flow. Alright, I'm down 1100 right now. AMD and Nvidia are hurting me pretty bad. Alright, I'm down 1100 now. Down 1140 now. I did take a SPY put credit spread. 636, 635. For a fill price of 0.1. And this is about where I got in. So the price needs to stay above 636. It's a little risky, but just figured I'd try it. More Nvidia calls today. 5.3 million. December 19th, 205 call. More QQQ calls. 5 million OTM. October 17th. I mean, they're just loading calls right now. Okay, we're getting a nice rally here. Across the board. Meta's about to break the high of day again. It's really carrying me today. I'm up 1261 right now. Tesla's still doing really bad. Down 330 on it. Meta obviously carrying up 900. Took some nice SPY calls too. More QQQ, OTM calls, 1.1 million. This is for August 15th, so this is Friday. So they're expecting a really quick move. I'm up 1880 right now. I'm going to take one of these metas off. I swung this overnight. Sold that for around 1030. 1034, just a beautiful trade. It's 190% gain overnight. Here's some of my orders today. About 2 more meta roll-ups, and I sold that main meta. I was seeing all these calls getting loaded in the morning. I'm going to sell one of these SPY calls. 109 to about 182. Okay, SPY's rallying into close. I'm going to sell another one here, the last one. It's up 126% right now. It expires tomorrow. Already holding a lot of other calls, so I'm just going to sell it. And look at all those trims on SPY. 67%, 74, 94, 101, and now 131. Should have played XPX. If I would have played SPX, it would have been a ridiculous amount of money. So a great finish here is up 27.65. Obviously carrying was Meta and SPY. Also that SPY put credit spread expired for 100% gain. So it was a cool CPI print, better than expected. Also VIX was getting crushed. It was down like 8%. And then tons of OTM call flow was coming in. So I crushed SPY calls, 100% on the credit spread. Meta 190%. Still in AMD, Tesla, Nvidia. Also I'm in a new Microsoft swing. Here's all my SPY trims. Bought 6 contracts for 109, and then I just trimmed on the way up all the way to 130%. Here's my meta trades, which was the biggest winner today. I think we're going to get a little bit of a gap up tomorrow and then maybe top out and pull back a bit. So I'll keep you guys posted on X, and make sure you subscribe for more content.